Today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out this at-home suspension training kit. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So if you're someone like myself that likes to work out either at home or on the go, then this is perfect for you. As you can see, this is great as an addition to your home gym to take it on the go or just to simply work out at the house. So let's go ahead and check what is inside this bag. So first and foremost, you get this manual. It tells you how to get started, how to set it up correctly. And another great thing that I like about this is that it actually gives you a list of different types of workouts that you could do with it. So if you're new, you really don't know how to use these, then this is great because it gives you a lot of different options. It gives you 6 key moves to get you started, from low row to lunge to chest press to hip press to plank, squat, everything. And as you can see, it does have these little demonstration pictures to show you what it looks like. Also, it does give you here setup steps. So as you can see, it gives you 3 different easy setup steps. So it is so simple to use. So again, if you're a beginner or you don't know how to set it up, don't worry, because everything that you need is included here, and it is as simple as 1, 2, and 3. So it tells you how to hang it up, it tells you how to go ahead and adjust it correctly, make sure that the straps are adjusted accordingly, and how to position yourself when you're using these straps. Also, another thing that is included in your kit is the door anchor. So you could actually use this at home in a room, especially if you don't have a lot of space. You could actually use this at home. It does have the door anchor, so let me go ahead and show you that one. So this is what the door anchor looks like. As you can see here, we'll be placing this on the other side of the door, so it's going to go ahead and give it that tension so it does not fall off. You want to go ahead and place this on the other side, close the door, and now you got your strap ready to go. And this one is perfect for indoor use. So anywhere that there's a door, this one's a good one for indoor use. Now let me go ahead and show you one that you could use outdoors. So this one right here is the one that you could use outdoors or anywhere where you could go ahead and hook this up right here. As you can see, it has this little latch. You want to go ahead and hook it somewhere where it's actually sturdy. And this you could go ahead and take with you. And this one is preferably for outdoors. So you could strap it around to a tree. You could strap it on your home gym, at the gym, but this one is the outdoor use one. The great thing about this setup is that no tools, no damage to your space, and it is ready in minutes. Now these right here are the straps, and they are fully adjustable, so you could change the length from 4 feet to 12 feet depending on your height or workspace. They are made from heavy duty nylon, as you can see here, with reinforced stitching and these strong metal clips. So they have these nice rubber grips to make sure that even when you're sweaty, you're not slipping out. So once you're set up, the possibilities of workouts are endless. You can do back rows, you could do regular rows, chest presses, bicep curls, tricep extensions, squats, lunges, planks, basically a full body workout using just your own body weight. So this is perfect for building strength, balance, and core stability without needing a bunch of equipment. So if you're looking for a compact, powerful, and affordable way to train from anywhere, I love how simple it is to use, how many exercises I can do with it, and it is so easy to take with me. I would definitely recommend this suspension training kit if you want to stay consistent with your fitness.